This is a certified pre-owned 2013 Chevrolet Camaro, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 8,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. Every Chevrolet certified pre-owned vehicle has the value and confidence you need. Owner Care puts no worries on a whole new level, featuring our exclusive 2-year, 24,000-mile CPO scheduled maintenance plan, a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty with 0 deductible, and, if that weren't already enough coverage, a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty with 0 deductible. See, we didn't call it Owner Care for nothing. The features include leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, aluminum rims, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, an alarm system, cruise control, keyless entry. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.